Next we will do, that is while writing the IUPAC name, we will see that when you are writing the numerical substituent, that is mono, di, tri, tetra, penta, just now I said you, these words are not included while writing the IUPAC name, because it is not included means it is not considered under alphabetical order while writing the IUPAC name. Means suppose we are having mono and we are having, that is ethyl, let us say, like we are having monochloro and we are having ethyl. Alright, so we don't take mono there, we take what? Simply chloro and ethyl, because mono is a numerical suffix, numerical prefix, we can say that. But this, what you can say, di, tri, tetra, when it is there in a complex substituent, it is being considered. I am saying that, listen carefully. Now next is, one more thing is there, instead of saying di, we can also use bis. Instead of saying tri, we can also use tris, tris. What I said? Instead of di, we can say bis. Instead of tri, we can say tris. Instead of tetra, what you can say? That is tetrakis. Instead of penta, what we can say? Pentakis. We can also use this. Like dichloro. Now we can say that is bis chloro, in this way we can say that. Now basically where this is used, where we use is di, tri, tetra, penta, and where we use this. In certain cases we have to use bis, we can't use di. Alright, in certain cases. Like suppose prefix, you will be getting it later on when you do nomenclature. Let us say ethylene diamine. The name of the word is ethylene diamine, we can say that. What I said, ethylene diamine, we are getting it, the prefixes. Now di is there already in the, what you can say, the prefix ethylene diamine, the word is di already is there. Suppose this ethylene diamine occurs twice, it comes twice in that particular compound. Let us say ethylene diamine comes twice. Then what you write? You will say, sir, I will write diethylene diamine. No, it is wrong. Why? Because of this, what you can say, the meaning changes. Think of little bit. Diethylene diamine, that means 2 times ethylene and 2 times amine? No. Diethylene diamine, the word changes, the meaning changes. So in that case, what you are supposed to do? Don't use the word di if it comes twice, the ethylene diamine. If it comes twice, don't use the word di before the, what you can say, prefix. Then what you should use? You should use the word bis. Bis, then within bracket you write ethylene diamine. It is understood that ethylene diamine occurs twice. Got it my point? Because there is compulsory, you can't use di. You can't use di in that particular case. Got it? Understood my point? Where to use this particular one? Otherwise, you are having options. But in certain cases, you can't. Like in ethylene diamine, already di word is there in the name of the, in the prefix, name of the prefix. So you can't use, suppose ethylene diamine comes twice, you can't use di because the name meaning changes in that particular case. So hence, what you are supposed to do, you are supposed to write bis within bracket ethylene diamine. So generally, we use it bis, tris, tetrakis, pentakis. Suppose if in one carbon atom, if 2 substituent group, let us say A, the 2 substituent group are there, a big substituent group is there, occurs twice. Then I use the word bis. Alright, then I use the word bis. Alright, in one carbon atom. Let us say an example. Suppose you want to understand completely now. This is one chlorine. This is benzene ring, and this is one chlorine. You can see the same group it is. I'll make it a little bit shorter here. See here. This is a benzene ring. I've used chloro here. Alright, so in the what you can say, that this particular group, this is known as parachlorobenzene. You will read it later on when I teach aromatics. This is parachlorobenzene. You can see it is coming twice. So I can't use a di. I should not use here di. I should use here bis. Alright, I should use the word bis because in the same carbon atom, twice it is being there. Suppose if this is repeated thrice, thrice is coming. Let us say thrice, it is repeated, the same group, parachlorobenzene. Then I should use the word tris in this way. So in certain cases, you are supposed to use it, and in certain cases, it becomes optional. Alright, so this is bis, tris, tetrakis, pentakis. Penta means 5 times in this way. I hope you got it, this particular one. Now, next, after that, again I repeat, That is, while writing the IUPAC name, if number of prefixes are there, I am giving an example to you, then you have to number the prefixes. That is, you have to put the locants, you have to do the numbering. The numbering should be done according to the lowest number rule. The numbering should be done, listen very carefully, the numbering should be done according to the lowest number rule. If number of prefixes are there, different prefixes, like chloro is there, bromo is there, ethyl is there, methyl is there, nitro is there. Alright, so in that case you are going to number it according to the lowest number rule. But while writing the IUPAC name, the name should be written according to alphabetical order. The naming should be done according to alphabetical order. This is point number 1. Point number 2. We should put the number before the prefix. That means that we should put the locants before the prefixes. Suppose chloro comes in second, so 2 chloro. 2, then hyphen, then chloro. And I already said you, between number and alphabet, there should be a hyphen, that is single bond. And between, suppose if the prefixes occurs twice. Got it? So between number and number, there should be a comma. There should be a comma between number and number. Got it? There should be a comma should be there. And suppose if the same prefixes occurs twice, then what should you write? I told you just now, di. Got it? We should write di. Or if it occurs thrice, then we should write tri. In this way, clear? And while writing the name, the IUPAC name, the complex substituents, the complex prefixes should be written in a bracket. I told just now, I gave you an example. In a bracket, you should write the complex substituent. And when the primary suffix ends in a vowel and the secondary suffix starts with a vowel, like in or on, e is coming. Alright, in is the primary suffix and on is yours, what you can say, secondary suffix. Or n-a-n-e, n is your primary suffix and on is a secondary suffix. See, it ends with a vowel, it starts with a vowel. So this is being striked off, this is being removed. The e of the primary suffix is being removed for writing the IUPAC name. So these are the certain things you have to remember it, and these all things will make you perfect when you practice. When you practice, more and more you practice the, what you can say, examples and the numericals or writing the IUPAC name, then only you will be perfect. Alright, then only you will be perfect. Alright, now I'll give you an example. See here. CH3, here CH, here nothing, here CH, here CH, here CH2, here CH3, here CH, CH2 and CH3. So the first what I need to do is that first I should see the longest chain. Now I think it's clear. Now this, if you don't understand this one, C2H5, I will still make it simplified further. You can simplify it always, it's up to you. You can simplify it, and it's better always to simplify. Now first I will find the longest chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We get 9 carbon atoms. Any other longest chain, can you see it here? I don't find it any other. Alright, okay, let's see one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 it comes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 it comes. So hence this is your longest chain. This is your longest chain. Done. 9 carbon atoms. Now the next thing is that we have to find it out from which side I should do the numbering. From which side. So that the locants, the prefixes gets the lowest position. Now let me do the number. Let me write the numbers. Why should I think of so much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So here it starts third, 1 methyl, third position. Fifth position is ethyl. Again sixth position 1, seventh position 2 I get it. That is 2 I get it, 7th position, and here it is 8. If I start from this direction. Alright, see here 3, 5, 1, 6th position 1, 7th position 2 and 8th position 1. Fine. Now if I start from this direction, then what I get it? Let me write the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then this will be 8 and this will be a 9. Okay, so in second position I get it 1, second, see here, second position. third position I get it 2, 2, 3, 3. Third position I get it. Then fourth position I get it another one. Fifth position I get it another one. And seventh position I get it another one. Let us check it once again. 2, then 3, 3, then fourth one, then fifth one, then seventh one. I don't have any other? No. Since in this direction. Now it's very simple, children. You can compare it according to the first point of difference rule. The first one is 2 and the second one is, here from this side the first one is 3. From this side the first locant is 2 and from this side the first locant is 3. So which one I should take? Definitely this, not this. Alright. So this is not being considered. So which one is considered? This is being considered from this side. It's clear now? No need to see others. No need to add it up also. This is always I say that. First point of difference. See 2 and 3. No need to see others. That others what it will be. If the first one is same, then we'll go for the second. If second is same, then we go for the third in that way. But if the first only we are getting the lowest, no need to see the others. Got it? Done. So over. So numbering will do in which the blue one I will take. The blue one, not the black one. Listen carefully. The blue one I am going to take, not the black one. Forget about the black. Now, first, what will I do? Secondary prefix. Now, secondary prefix what I get? See the blue one you see. Second position nitro. Third position chloro. Then third chloro and third methyl. Then fourth methyl, fifth ethyl. So alphabetical order which comes first out of all these things? We get chloro first. So first we'll write 3 chloro. First alphabetical order is chloro. Got it? Now after chloro what is that alphabetical order is? Ethyl. So 5 ethyl. See here, between number and alphabet I am putting hyphen. See here. So 5 ethyl. Next, after that what we get? It is nothing but methyl. We get it. See here. Ethyl is over. This is over. This is over. Then 7th position methyl, 6th position methyl, and third position methyl, 4th position methyl. Let me rub this number. As I don't want, why should I keep it? I am only getting confused. Yes. So the upper number only I want. So third position methyl, fourth position methyl, and 7th position methyl. You can say that 3, 4, and 7. So what will I write here? That is, let me rub it this one. I don't require this. So what is that? 3, 4, 7 trimethyl. See, so simple. 3, 4, 7 trimethyl. Why it is tri? Because 3 times methyl is coming, so it is trimethyl. Which position? 3, 4, 7. I have written it. 3, 4, 7 trimethyl. So while writing tri, I am not considering tri in the alphabetical order. But which I considered? I considered methyl, not tri. Alright? Is it clear? But if this trimethyl comes in the complex chain, then I have to consider the T in the alphabetical order. Got it? Don't forget this. Now, next, after that, we got it. Second position, that is nitro. See, second position nitro. See, everything is over. 3 chloro, 5 ethyl, then 3, 4, 7 trimethyl, and 2 nitro. Alphabetical order is being done. Okay. Now, next, after that primary prefix we don't have, but will come root word. What is root word? What is the root word here? Non, 9 carbon atoms, as you can see. Now, what is the primary suffix? It is N. See, primary suffix is N. All are single bond, no double bond, triple bond is here. Finished, no secondary suffix. So, what is IUPAC name? We can write it once again here. 3 chloro, 5 ethyl, 3, 4, 7 trimethyl, 2 nitro, nonane. You have to write down. Because answer, this is the answer, this is not the answer. Your teacher will not combine it and see, this is the answer. No. Answer you have to write it down after writing this one. Now this is the process I am teaching you. You won't find all this process in any of the book. I am teaching you this particular thing because it will be easier for you to write the name so that you won't make any mistake. You won't make any mistake. Got it? That is what I said you. So hence what I said, 3 chloro, 5 ethyl, 3, 4, 7 trimethyl, 2 nitro, nonane. You have to write down the answer. If you won't write the answer, 0. Got it? Because that is my answer. I have check that particular one. Okay, so got it now. In this way, how to write the IUPAC name when number of prefixes are given, different prefixes are given, and I've used almost all the rules. Got it? Except secondary suffix that I'm going to come to now. Thank you.